Hey there viewers, and welcome back. Today I want to take a look at organizing a table. Now seriously, I want to take a look at installing the flywheel. So before we do that, we got to put this charging coil on, and I believe it's like a 17 amp charging coil, which is, I think, really impressive. They have one bigger, I forget what the output is, but I don't know if you did 7, 14, you know, whatever. I don't know exactly what their options are, but the point is this can run a lot of electronic stuff. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this. We'll install the flywheel, get it torqued down, cooling fan, and all that other stuff. Let's make that happen. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna bring this guy up. We're gonna get the right socket going here. So he's going to go up so the wires can come out like that. So we're simply going to start one fastener, do a little bit of adjustment. So we can do a second, and a third, and a fourth. Then this actually locks up on there really nice. Okay, and then don't forget, this last little guy kind of goes on, keeps him from getting eaten up by the flywheel. So it doesn't pinch it or anything, it just kind of holds it like such. Next, you're going to put your flywheel key in like such. You're going to grab the flywheel, carefully slide her up in there. There is a pretty good stout magnet for those charging coils on it. Then you'll grab your fan and you'll rotate until the fan actually clips in. It's only going to go in one way on most of these engines. So let's play around with it, hopefully. Okay, there you go. And then the flange side, the bulge facing out, as you can see there, and then the flywheel nut gets installed. And we'll gently tighten it down. Oh man, everything turns really nice. Well, there you got it, folks. Make sure you get your signatures for that. Put in the grade book. Come up and see me. Have me check that stuff out. Everything should turn nice. Mind you, you are going to have a little bit of kick from compression because you put your spark plugs in. So that's always a good sign when you're putting a motor together. Things like that. So you should definitely feel that happen. It's not that it's binding up. It's just that it's got a little bit of air pressure in the cylinders, which is good. So thanks for watching.